Good morning, students. This is lab manual experiment number 7 to separate mixtures. Let's see experiment number 7. To separate a mixture of two solid substance, salt and sand, by using different methods. You have a mixture of salt and sand. How will you separate these two? Mixture means a substance having many substance in it or in unequal quantity. That is mixture. Air is the mixture of gases. Different methods of separation are winnowing. Remember in class 6 in separation chapter, winnowing, threshing, hand picking, sieving, magnetic separation, sedimentation, decantation, loading, filtration, distillation, evaporation, churning and condensation. Okay. Material needed: 2 beaker, glass rod, tripod stand, gas burner, matchbox, conical flask, metallic lid, tongue and ice cubes. Note: which method is used for separation of components is decided in advance. For the above mixture of salt and sand, these methods are to be used. First, sedimentation, then decantation or evaporation, and then condensation. How to do it? Take little mixture of or make a mixture of common salt and sand, mix it well. Okay. फर्स्ट यू मिक्स इट, देन पहले मिलाओ फिर बाद में अलग करो. इन अ बीकर पुट द मिक्सचर एंड ऐड वाटर so that complete mixture is under water. Sand and salt both are in water. Now stir with a glass rod and let it settle. बिल्कुल उसको आप अच्छे से चला दो और फिर लेट इट बी सेटल डाउन. दिस इज द एक्सपेरिमेंट. सॉल्यूशन ऑफ salt and sand. Sedimentation means just to settle down at the bottom of the heavier things becomes settle down at the bottom, and salt is in water. Then decantation means very slowly pour it from one beaker to another beaker until the sand comes. सैंड को नहीं निकालना है, सैंड के ऊपर का पूरा वाटर को पोर करके निकाल लेना. दैट इज कॉल्ड decantation. Remember, observation: sand particles settle at the bottom of the beaker containing salt plus sand plus water. अभी तीनों है. A solution or water is seen above the layer of sand particles. Solution of water with salt is seen above the layer of sand. How to do it? Now sand is separated. And we have water with salt in it. We have to separate water and salt both. Take another beaker. With the help of a glass rod, pour the supernatant liquid, water in it. But this sand and water is separated by sedimentation and decantation. Sedimentation means settle down at the bottom. Decantation means pouring of water from one beaker to another beaker very slowly, carefully. Keep the beaker with separated water over a tripod stand and having a wire gauge. Now we have to boil it. Heat it over the flame for some time till it starts boiling. This is the experiment. Evaporation is occurring and at the same time condensation starts occurring. एक पैन ले लेते हैं, उस पैन में ऊपर में आइस डाल दिए और उसको ठीक बॉइलिंग बीकर के ऊपर रखना है. साथ में बगल में एक दूसरा खाली बीकर रख लो. क्या होगा? व्हाट हैपेंस? लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑब्जर्व द एक्सपेरिमेंट. separation of mixture of salt and water. Observation. Water vapor or steam starts coming out from the water by the process of evaporation. Take a lid. Hold it with a tongue and keep few ice cubes on it, on the top of the एक ना क्या बोलते हैं पैन, नॉन स्टिक पैन ले लो और उसके ऊपर में थोड़ा सा आइस क्यूब्स रख देते हैं. देन प्लेस इट ओवर द बीकर, द बॉइलिंग बीकर. दिस हेल्प्स टू कन्वर्ट द स्टीम इनटू वाटर. आइस रखने के कारण जो है नीचे जो वाटर वेपर पहुंच रहा है, दैट इज अगेन कंडेंसेंसिंग. ठीक है, कंडेंसेशन अकर्स और वो ठंडा हो जा रहा है. ठंडा होने से क्या होगा, वाटर वेपर इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स एंड दैट ड्रॉपलेट्स आर टू बी कलेक्टेड इन अनदर बीकर. नीचे जितना पानी जमा हो रहा है वाटर वेपर का, वो सब के सब दूसरे बीकर में हम स्टोर कर रहे हैं. नाउ ऑब्जर्वेशन. अ वाइट लेयर ऑफ ओके कीप हीटिंग टिल ऑल वाटर हैज इवापोरेटेड. जब सारा पानी निकल गया, व्हाट इज लेफ्ट इन द बीकर? सॉल्ट इज लेफ्ट बिहाइंड. A white layer of salt is obtained in the beaker. So what is the conclusion? A mixture of substance can be separated by using of different methods. Result: sand, salt and water can be separated and is separated. Be careful while separating water from settled sand in beaker. Use a glass rod. Boil the water in beaker kept over a wire gauge. Always keep a wire gauge. Name two methods used for separation: sedimentation, decantation. Any name you can say. Two methods for separation. What is decantation? Decantation is separation of supernatant liquid by use of glass rod or a support. मतलब हमेशा एक support के साथ डालने से ना वो अच्छे से जाता है. What is present in water in the above mixture? Dissolved salt. What happens during condensation? Steam or water vapor is condensed into again liquid or into water droplets. Multiple choice question. Separation of salt in water can be done by evaporation and condensation. Separation of salt in water can be done by sedimentation? No, sedimentation occurs for sand. Evaporation and condensation, both 1 and 2, none of these. So I have written evaporation and condensation because 1 and 2 happens when sand is present. But our question is separation of salt in water, only sand. 19. Ice cubes when present in a glass of water, what happens? Condenses moisture present in air. When we keep a glass of water with ice cubes, what happens? The air around the glass have moisture that condenses and sticks to the outermost part of the glass. So our answer is condenses moisture present in air. Condensed water condenses all of these. Easily condenses moisture present in air. That's all for today. Thank you so much.